What's up guys, Tom here, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the trunk dome light in the first generation Jaguar XF. Today I'm going to be replacing the original normal bulb for an LED to increase the brightness and have a nicer color. So let's do it. It's pretty simple and pretty quick. If you own a Jaguar XF, the first generation, you know there's a problem with a low brightness in the trunk because there's only one light in the back of the car. That's right here, and it's a small Festoon bulb that isn't very powerful. So at night you cannot really see much. And also the the classic yellow color of the normal bulb makes it look a little older and outdated. So let me show you. It's very simple and very quick how you can replace this bulb. So first, what you want to do, you could actually get two ways into the light. You can either get back through here, which is the hard and unnecessary way, or the simple way is just to grab this, pry a little bit with your fingers, and just take it out the wall housing on the cable like this. And then you can actually just disconnect the cable, let the bulb cool down a little bit, because it's going to be hot as it was turned on, and once it cools down a little bit, then you can just replace it with the LED. All right, so it's nice and cool down. I can touch it without any problems. That's exactly what I wanted. Last thing you want is to have to like be super quick, not to burn your fingers. And the bulb I'm going to be replacing it is this one. I just chose a random LED bulb. You're gonna need a 41mm long Festoon bulb. So this is what I chose. I like this, milky glass here. It's gonna make it uniform. You cannot see the LEDs. It's a more premium bulb. It feels pretty nice, and it also has this ceramic cooler here, so it should last longer. It shouldn't heat up as much. It's also reportedly good in brightness, but we'll see at night. Now it's not gonna be as obvious. So very simple. Just pull on this tab a little bit and just pull it closer like this so you can release the bulb. There you go. Now I might need two hands, we'll see. All right, so this is the cooler, and this is the spot where the light comes from. So let me try do it with one hand, and we'll see how it goes. There you go. Very simple. So the cooler up, and this is where it's gonna shine from, and we're gonna test it right away by connecting it to the connector again. All right, let's push it so it clicks. It's much easier and faster to do it with two hands. All right. Yep, that's done. So as you can see, the light is shining from this direction, exactly what we want. To put it back, it's super simple. Just put the cables through here to the left, and then put it first on the left side, then on the right, and just click it in place. There you go. That's it. It's replaced now. So hopefully now there's going to be much more light in the trunk, and also much nicer color. Alright, thanks very much for watching the video. I hope it helped you out. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing for more videos with the Jaguar XF. Now, one more note though, if for some reason the light stops working in the trunk, it's probably the fuse. If the fuse gets blown, it's not a physical fuse you will have to replace, but it's a software fuse. So just restart the car a couple times, it should start working. Alright, so that's all for today. If you want to see how to replace the rest of the dome lights in the car, make sure to check out the link in the description below, as well as a tutorial on how to replace the license plate lights. So, have a nice day, thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one.